All right, guys, so today we're going to be learning about angles. We're going to be learning about angles and how to use them in geometry. So, an angle is formed by two rays. This common endpoint is called the vertex. The rays are called the sides. Name an angle using blank letters. Okay, so we name an angle using three letters. The middle letter must always represent the vertex. So here, if you see this, A, B, C, B is my vertex. Use a single letter if there is only one angle located at the vertex. When referring to the measure, use a lowercase m. So example, measure angle ABC equals 60 degrees. So m is the measure. This little symbol, it means angle ABC. Now the types of angles. So here, if it's less than less than 90 degrees, this is an acute angle. Acute angle. If it's greater than 90 degrees, it's called an obtuse angle. Now, if it's exactly this square here, it's 90 degrees, that's what that square means. It's called a right angle, or right angle. Okay. Let's move on. Example 1, JKL. All right. So, name the vertex of the angle. So name the vertex of the angle. The vertex, remember what it was? It's the point in the middle. So it's going to be K. Name the sides of the angle. So the sides, remember the sides are going to be from K to L and from K to J. So this is how you're going to write it. So the sides are rays. Let me erase this so it doesn't get sloppy. So it's going to be ray. Let's do KL and ray KJ. Now give 3 ways to name that angle. So there are 3 ways to name this angle. The first way is going to be from J to K to L. So we're going to name it this way, JKL. All right. So let's name it. So this is how you do it. So angle JKL. And then the other way will be going the other way. So L to K to J. So the other way, it's going to be angle L K J. Remember, K is in the middle and K is in the middle. Now again, if you didn't have this points J and points L, you could just name this angle as angle K. Now, what kind of angle is this? Does it look like it's less than 90 degrees? Or does it look like a right angle? Or does it look like it's greater than 90 degrees, right? So it's greater than 90 degrees, so this will be an obtuse angle. All right. Let's go to example 2. Example 2. All right, so let's name this. So name the vertex of angle 2. So angle 2 is going to be in here. So remember, my vertex is going to be the letter between it. So XTU, so it's going to be T. So it's just T. Name the sides of angle 4. So the sides of angle 4, here's my angle 4. My sides are here and here. So it's going to be from T to W. So it's going to be ray TW and ray TZ. TZ. Okay, let's clean this up a bit. Write another name for angle 3. So angle 3 right here, what's another name for it? So there's 3 ways to do it. So let's just do it this way. So we're going to go from U to T to Z. So another name for angle 3 is going to be angle U T Z. Angle UTZ. Now you could have gone ZTU, but it's fine. If you do it this way or the other way, I'll know what you mean. Write another name for angle 1. So again, angle 1 here, do the same thing. So we're just going to do from Y to T to X. So angle Y T X. It's angle 1. Name the sides of angle 5. So the sides of angle 5. So angle 5 is here, right? It's going to be here to here and here to here. So it's going to be ray. So ray TY and ray TW. Okay. Classify YTW. So classify YTW. Classify means what is it? So classify. So we go to Y, we go to T, we go to W. So we go to YTW. What kind of angle is this? This is a right angle. A right angle. Now classify Y, T, U. So this looks like an obtuse angle. Obtuse, greater than 90 degrees. Obtuse. Erase this one. Classify XTU. XT, so XTU. So it looks like less than 90 degrees, so it is an acute angle. Acute. Now classify WTU. WTU looks greater than 90 degrees, so it is obtuse. So it's obtuse. Obtuse angle. Okay. Now, so let's keep going. Now here, there are angle relationships, right? So I'm just gonna write the example. I'll zoom out here in a bit, maybe. I'll think about it. Maybe just move it around. So vertical angles, 2 angles across from each other on intersecting lines, they are always congruent. So I'm gonna draw these 2. So let's draw this line, this line, this line, this line. Okay, so let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here, angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. Angle 3 is congruent to angle 4, right? So that is what vertical angles means. It means that this angle is the same as this angle, and this angle is the same as this angle. Vertical angles. Now let's look at the left side here, adjacent angles. Two angles that are next to each other and share a common side. So adjacent angles, here's your example. This is the common side they're sharing, angle 1 and angle 2. Okay. Complementary angles, any two angles whose sum is 90 degrees. So complementary means angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, and this is a picture of how it looks like. And this is 90 degrees, right? Imagine that these are perfect straight lines. Angle 1 and angle 2. Supplementary angles. Any two angles whose sum is 180. So it's just like the other one. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to, you guessed it, 180 degrees, right? So now here is a picture example. So you have 135 degrees and 45 degrees should be 180 degrees. And if you guys don't believe it, let's do it. 135 plus 45 equals 180 degrees. Too easy. All right, and then linear pair. So a linear pair and adjacent angles could be a little confusing because they're very similar. So two angles that are adjacent and supplementary, they form a straight line. So the key thing is adjacent angles and linear pair, they have to be supplementary. So a supplementary, what does it mean? It means it adds up to 180 degrees. We just did it, right? So let's do it. So again, angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180 degrees. And now the picture is going to look almost the same, but now without numbers, right? This is going to be angle 1 here and angle 2 here. Okay, so that is how you do these. All right, hopefully you got all of them. I don't want to zoom out because then I'll lose my position on the next page. All right, let's go to the next page. Identifying the types of angles. All right, check all relationships between angle 1 and angle 2. So angle 1, we just learned it. What are they? Perfect, vertical angles. Angle number 2, what are they? Adjacent, all right? Complementary, right? They add up to 90 degrees. They share a side. Adjacent, let's see, 3. They share a side. Vertical, they're not vertical, they're not opposite. They're not complementary, they are supplementary, and they are a linear pair. Okay. 4. These are just adjacent. They're not linear pair because they don't add up to 180 degrees. 5. Adjacent, let's see, not adjacent. So angle 1 and angle 2, right? So they're vertical because they're opposite each other and they're congruent. Let's see, are they complementary? This is over here. Angle 1. This is angle 1. It's the same as, so this little line here means it's the same as this here. So if this is the same and this is the same, so that means this is the same. And if this is the same, then here you could see that this is also the same. So that's why they are complementary. That's what those lines mean. It indicates equality. All right, number 6. Opposite, right? So opposite angles are congruent. Vertical angles are congruent. Supplementary. Now they're supplementary because, again, if this is 90, then this is 90, then this is 90, and this is 90, right? It's all 90. All right. Now, this is your notes, right? All right, so we're gonna pause right there for your notes, and then we'll do some examples on the next video. Don't want to make this video too long. All right, guys, thank you for watching.